Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, do I have to vacuum to get rid of fleas? Yes, vacuuming is a key step. Getting rid of fleas can take some time, so do not skip or overlook the vacuuming process. The reason vacuuming is important is because along with sucking up any fleas, eggs, or pupae, it will also stimulate the remaining pupae and have them emerge sooner. This will make them more susceptible to your pesticide treatment. Vacuuming will also help your pesticides get down deep in the carpet fibers where the fleas will be hiding. Be sure to vacuum all floors and furniture during your flea control program, and be sure to throw the bag outside or empty the canister every time. This will put a significant dent in your flea infestation. When it comes to flea control, this is a step that doesn't suck. Well, it does, but in a good way. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. Our question today is, do I have to vacuum to get rid of fleas? Should I say fleas in my home? I'll just leave it like it is.